So the next section we're going to talk about is with transistors. And so there's two main types of transistors. You have MOSFETs and we have BJTs. MOSFETs are useful when you want to amplify voltage of a signal, and BJTs are useful when you want to amplify current. So the basic principle is just amplification of a signal. So in the projects in your kits, you mostly use BJTs just because they're more useful for our applications. Transistors have three elements to them, or 3 pins on them, and that's what makes them easy to find compared to a resistor or capacitor, which only have 2 pins. They have 3 pins. So for MOSFETs, you have your source, your gate, and your drain. For your BJTs, you have your collectors, the base, and the emitter. So transistors basically function as a switch. When you apply a high enough voltage to the gate or the base, the switch will turn on, and it'll allow a signal to flow through from source to drain or collector to emitter. So for our BJT example, if you apply 5 volts to your base, then a current will start to flow between the collector and emitter that's at a higher current than what is going in. So that's basically the function of a transistor. And then if you apply 0 volts at your base, the signal will stop and no current will flow through from collector to emitter.